This is a fascinating project that demonstrates a sensitive and thoughtful approach to architectural renovation. The design carefully integrates the new addition with the existing house and the surrounding landscape. The architects have paid close attention to the existing views and have created new perspectives that frame the natural beauty of the site. The addition of the new corridor creates a more functional and fluid layout, connecting the previously independent volumes of the house. The use of natural light is a key element of the design. Large windows frame the surrounding landscape, while the interplay of light and shadow creates a dynamic and ever-changing atmosphere within the house. The use of local materials and the emphasis on natural ventilation contribute to the sustainability of the project. The use of natural materials, such as concrete, stone, and wood, creates a strong connection to the local context and adds a sense of warmth and authenticity to the interior spaces. The renovation of Les Blanches de Payzac is a testament to the power of architecture to transform existing structures and create spaces that are both beautiful and functional. By carefully considering the site's unique characteristics and the client's needs, the architects have created a home that is both a celebration of the past and a vision for the future.